Alright girlfriends, here we go for our all day cleaning. I'm sharing an easy snack recipe that my family absolutely loves. I'm tackling laundry and I'm also folding the laundry that I had left in my dryer and on my bench, and I got tired of it giving me the side eye, so we're folding that too. So yeah, like this video before we get started. It really helps out my channel. If you like cleaning motivation, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's get cleaning.
Yeah, even if you doubt me now.
Hey girlfriends, and welcome back to another video, and I hope that you're having a beautiful week. Today we are doing a realistic clean with me. I'm behind on some laundry that I didn't tackle so that I can have a weekend free of cleaning, because these past few weeks, y'all, have been a bit cray. I'm behind on laundry as well. I've got a pile of laundry sitting on my bench giving me the side eye. So disrespectful. But today I am getting it done, and y'all know that I get a lot of my motivation by starting off by making up my bed, so that is what I'm doing here. Also, if you are new, welcome to my channel, girlfriend. I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm glad that you found me. I do lots of cleaning, homemaking, decorating on my channel. So if you're into that kind of fun content, I'd love to have you subscribe, say hey in the comments, and introduce yourself so that we can get to know you better. But girlfriends, I hope that you get tons of cleaning motivation from this video, and I hope that it inspires you to get up and get some things checked off your own to-do list.
I don't even know what I want no more.
All my kids are upstairs and my husband went out to take his mom out for breakfast. I'm just going to collect some laundry in the main living area. Plus, this space is the easiest to get neat, and I will come back later to dust the furniture in here. But I am also excited to announce that today's video is a collaboration with one of my new friends, Taryn, from Getting My Life Together at 50, and I will let her introduce herself here.
Hello, my name is Tarren, Getting My Life Together at 50, and on my channel you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, tons of laundry motivation, and lifestyle content. If this is something that interests you, I do hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel. So once you're done watching this beauty's channel, I would love it if you stop by my channel and say hello. And please leave me a comment letting me know you're there. I would love to communicate with you. I am hoping to see you soon.
Miss Taryn quickly became someone I admire on YouTube, and it was confirmed when we did our first video chat. And when I tell you, she is the real deal. She is the real deal. She is super motivating and always uplifting. But go over to her channel and give her some love today, girlfriend. Go check out her channel. I know it's going to be jam-packed with cleaning motivation. Go show her some love and let her know that I sent you. If you are coming from Miss Taryn's channel, thank you. My name is Sherelle, and I'm a wife and mom to two Hershey Kisses, ages 9 and 11. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to have you subscribe and be a part of this positive community.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty.
So I have not cleaned my windows since we moved in, and we moved into this rental the summer of last year, nor was it cleaned prior to our move-in, so I knew these windows were in need of some TLC. But I am so excited to show you guys my new tool. It is a steamer that I just got last week, and I've seen several of my girlfriends here on YouTube, to include Miss Taryn, rave about this steamer. And y'all, it is called the BISSELL Steam Shot, and I'll be sure to link it down below. But it is a directed steamer, and when I tell you that this thing cleaned my windows so good, baby, it cleaned my windows so good.
So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you can, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need. Trying to guess what happens after this.
So there are two things that I love about the steamer. One, it will work on your windowsills and it will clean up any stuck on dirt or grime. But the tip that I will give if you're cleaning something that has stuck on dirt is to spray it first with some type of water or a solution that I use. That way when you're using the direct steamer, it has something to act as an agitator, and it makes the process of cleaning whatever it is that you're cleaning much easier. And two, we live on a corner street, and I'm telling you, I scared a couple of my neighbors' dog while they're taking their dog out for a stroll because we live on a corner of a busy street. Finding the silver lining in anything, it was a fun way to meet a few of my new neighbors because I haven't met all of them because COVID, and your girl does not feel comfortable knocking door to door saying, "Hey, I'm your new neighbor." But girlfriend, if you were looking for an honest review on this steamer, girlfriend, you just got it, and you need to go get it from Amazon, and it's less than $40. I promise you, you will not regret it.
This is my win. I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
Feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to win? You know what we should.
Alright, now that I have the living room done, I'm going to go ahead and make some energy balls or energy bite balls or whatever it is that you want to call them. They're so good. They're basically little individual granola bowl bites, and I love them. My kids love them. Lau loves them, and they're such a hit in my home. So I'm going to go ahead and make some today so that we have it for throughout the week. And I figure you guys will love the recipe as well, so you can screenshot the recipe card or you can follow along with me in the video. This recipe that I found on Pinterest 4 months ago is so easy, and all you do is add all your ingredients into one bowl and you mix them well, and then you form them into little balls, place them in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and once they're firm, you're going to transfer them into an airtight container. When I tell you, when I found this recipe on Pinterest 4 months ago, I had no idea that I would be making this every week because my family loves it that much. But comment below if you decide to try this recipe and let me know what your family thinks of it.
I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. Nothing here will be the same again, 'cause I know this pain, I'm better off alone. Know that all I ever wanted to was to see you smile. Why don't we go figure it? Yeah.
So girlfriends, I just want to let you know that I pray for you. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, and I just wanted to ask, how are you doing? There are some days that I wake up and I am productive, like today, and there are other days that I wake up and my heart is just extremely heavy. But I have to remember that the days that I don't feel most productive, that I feel sluggish or I feel tired or whatever, but the days that I don't feel productive, I have to remind myself that doing the most isn't necessarily going to make me the most. It's extending ourselves grace because sometimes we don't get it all done. However, doing less is just sometimes better. But comment below letting me know how you are doing, so that way I know exactly how to pray for you.
Seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you to get out. Everything's different, I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving, I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do.
So I've been trying to tackle my deep cleaning chores because when it comes to spring cleaning, we are not the best of friends. And if you guys remember in my last video, I tackled my master bathroom by deep cleaning that. And so next thing I need to do, which I won't be doing today because I don't want to, is tackling my kids' bathroom. But how are you doing on your deep cleaning list? Have you got everything done, or are you still tackling some things?
Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, please just for once say that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah, or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah.
So y'all, I always open this up and I clean it with wipes, and there's still a little bit of things left behind because I have a boy. But y'all, this steam cleaner got it all done. So yeah, if you need some help cleaning that little thing, that steam cleaner is the business.
Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real?
Girlfriends, I have saved the thing that I don't like to do the most for last, and this is the reason why. I just don't like it. I do not like it, but we are getting things done today. And if you have some laundry to fold, go ahead and grab it and let's hold it together, because y'all, we are a boss today, okay? We are making boss moves, and that boss move for us is folding this laundry along with other things.
But you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we know meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this? Are we thinking this? If we know meant to be, giving up in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just go find some courage. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost?
If you made it this far in the video, thank you. I know that there are thousands of cleaning videos out there, but the fact that you chose mine means the world to me. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. I'm just going to finish putting up these clothes, but I do hope this video brought you tons of cleaning motivation and encouragement. Be sure to check out my girlfriend Miss Tarren's video, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful.
If I know everything about me, I'll be thinking